Right now we're traying out flat. We've poured the stones that have mixture on it into a pile and then even it out with a trowel. Been pre-mixed. And right now we're just flattening the surfaces to the level that we need.
It's a nice light compliment.
Going well, mate.
Eh?
Going well.